Getting SiriusXM Marine's satellite weather and entertainment services on your boat couldn't be easier. If you don't have one already, first you'll need to purchase and install a SiriusXM receiver from Garmin, Raymarine, Simrad, Lowrance, B&G, or Furuno. They all make receivers compatible with SiriusXM Marine's satellite weather and entertainment services. Then, determine which of the 3 available SiriusXM Marine weather packages fits you best and subscribe. You can do this online at SiriusXM.com or by calling 855-796-9847 and talking to their marine specialists. With any of the marine packages, you can add SiriusXM radio at a discounted price. All this information and more can be found at SiriusXM.com/marine.